Hey YouTube, this is for LPS Dog Lover 442. It's for the kitten and the husky. If she doesn't want the Great Dane, I'll be so mad at her. She's in perfect condition, I think. Yep. She's in perfect condition. No scratches or nothing. She is too. They're both girls. Let them do it again. And again. Thank you. Oops, sorry. Thank you so much. And goodbye.